Welcome to my visual tour. For more details on this property or to schedule an appointment to personally preview, be sure to contact a realtor today. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home that was built in 2005 with 1,665 square feet living area is just the right size. Features an open great room floor plan with lots of neutral colors, inside laundry room with washer/dryer included and fenced backyard. Everything you need and ready for immediate occupancy. Close to shopping and hospitals with a quick commute to Tampa via the Veterans Expressway and only 15 minutes from the Gulf of Mexico and Hernando Beach area. Hurry if you want to make this your new home.